Right now I want to show you the RAM-B-121B, and what this is a clamping base with solid rubber 1-inch ball. As you can see here, the clamping base is through this part here, and the solid rubber ball actually runs parallel to the post that you're going to mount. So it actually is a little bit different than you would normally think. Normally you think the ball would come off the top here. It's a great device, and it actually ships with a lot of the Garmin aviation units because it's designed as well for a yoke clamp. I'm going to bring in a pole here just to show you how this works. Firstly though, I will explain. The clamp itself varies in width. You can take it out as far as it would go around a 1 1/4 inch post. That would mean that if you undo this edge here, the screw here, that'll open up this clamp, and this point here would be the maximum you would be able to get it around a post, because you have to sort of push it over. That would be 1 1/4, and then as you clamp this closed, the minimum you can get in between these two grooves here would be about 7/8. So that would grip solidly on something about 7/8. So just to open and close this clamp, you simply turn this knob here, and it pushes that in or out, this part here in or out. So very simple design, but very effective. Let's just open it up so I can put it on this makeshift 1-inch post I've got here. So we put it there, and let's just clamp this guy closed. Just turn that around like so. So there's a lot of applications you can use this device. You know, you can even use it on a golf cart if need be. But as I said, originally this was really designed for an aviation application. Because what it does is, and now that I've put it there, let's just turn this post around so you can see it better. There it goes. So now that it's clamped on, you can see the ball runs up the shaft, or it's going parallel with the shaft. So what that allows you to do is now put a mounting system like a RAM arm, and then a diamond plate or any other sort of device on the end here. And ideally in an aeroplane situation, in the aviation, once this is clamped onto the yoke, this would actually bring your GPS out in front of the steering wheel or handles, so that you can actually get your GPS up in front of you. So it actually runs up like that, and then in this case here you can put a GPS on the end. Let's put it up the right way so it doesn't look so silly. There we go. You'd have a GPS on the end, and that's how you clamp it on. That's a very simple design, but very clever. But as I said before, it's just this base. And you can just grab a RAM-B-121 arm, which I've got here, and a diamond plate for connecting cradles or whatever else you want to use, or a smaller arm or anything else to build your mount. But that's pretty much how it all works. Let's just take this arm off, get back to it. So it's a marine grade aluminum material, as you can see there, and that's it. There's also another version that actually has a thread come out of here to mount a second ball if that's what you require. So there you have it, the RAM-B-121B.